In every team sport, there's always a ball that you play with. And so for us as parents in team sports, we have our own ball. It's called the Emotional Resilience Ball. And what I'm going to show you is how you can play to your highest performance, building your own emotional resilience. So this is the Emotional Resilience Ball, not to be confused with going to the emergency room. There's a lot of stress sometimes in adult sports, so we want to make sure that we build your emotional resilience. In the ball, it's based on two dimensions. The first one is the mindset. And on the right-hand side is your mindset open, positive thoughts. Are you a learner mindset in that trusting state? On the other side of the ball, it's the closed mindset, perhaps more negative thoughts or judging or a little bit of distrusting. The vertical axis is about your nervous energy, your physical energy. And are you in high nervous energy, excited? Or perhaps it's a very calm state, your zen, your low nervous energy. From there, what you can start to do is figure out what are the emotions. So if we're in this upper right-hand quad, you might be passionate, perhaps engaged, or even right down excited because it's that big important game. On the bottom right-hand side, it's a more calm state, perhaps a little more fulfilled, content, and you're really just enjoying the game. On the lower left-hand side, lower energy, but perhaps more negative thoughts, more judging. You might be withdrawn, even resentful, perhaps even burnt out from all the volunteer work that you've done with no help. And in the higher right-hand quad, you might be frustrated, even a little bit fearful for the safety of your child, for example, or just down and out angry. Sometimes we can be in the bottom right-hand quad and really enjoying the game, but yet there's a trigger. Perhaps it's a bad call from a ref, and that bounces you right over to the lower part of that upper right-hand quad where you start to get a bit frustrated. But here's the beauty of emotional resilience. You never have to hang on to the ball. You can actually get yourself back to being in that calm state, or perhaps even re-engaged on a more positive note. The challenge that we bring to you is really understanding where you are at any given moment. For example, where are you now? You need to be able to identify your own thoughts and your own feelings because that actually drives your behavior. And once you realize what your triggers are, you can prepare for those triggers. Again, more emotional resilience. So the whole purpose of the ER Ball is to help you perform at your highest performance so you can truly enjoy the game.